Welcome to this shortwave radio channel. As you see, the ATS-25 in my front balcony using a cable. I've actually been able to do something here. I took one of my antennas down, and it had, of course, the cable that goes to my home. So I've attached this cable to my multicoupler. So you see it going here, and it's entering just here below my air conditioning unit. And that is actually now connected to the multicoupler, which means that now I'll have an access to the MLA 30 that's right up here. Because I had no tap on the balcony, even though the antenna was there. I had just no tap on the antenna itself. So I was not able to use any of my, really have some really good reception on the balcony, which was kind of sad. So I've now reverted that. So the MLA30's cable, of course, coming down. This is the weather station here. Going through the ramp with the lights. And of course going through the entry of the window here below the air conditioning unit. And so this new coaxial cable will be used with adapters for my different receivers here on the balcony, which means that this is going to become a nice place to listen to the radio and DX, using, of course, the cables. So this is going to be a lot of fun. Right now I plugged in my ATS-25, and of course using adapters because it's a PL259 here. So I'll be using different adapters to get the signal to my different portables. Hopefully it's going to work well, and I think it's going to be anyways better because here reception on the balcony here with just a telescopic is horrible. I mean, it's an almost impossible task unless the signal is really, really strong. So to tap into my MLA30 here, I think it's going to be an amazing experience, and it's going to give me some really cool radio listening outside while we are in the summer. I mean, summertime is fun to be outside, so I'll be outside on the balcony. Today is a nice summer day. Not too hot, just just enough, just summer-like. It's really nice. So this is going to be my my experimental stuff, and my antenna is going to, of course, be for multiple receivers at the same time. So I'll be able to use a MLA30 thanks to the multicoupler that's inside my office. Thanks to this cable. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.